Hi, how are you feeling? My name's Amy, and I felt to do a short video about being in nature and how it helps to ground us. And I am a water star sign. I am a Scorpio, and best believe me, I need to ground myself for sure. I love being around the sea and most form of water. I'm currently right near a river. However, I really do need earth beneath my feet. I need to get grounded for my mind and emotions 100%. I'm quite an emotional person and I'm very sensitive. So if you watching this are very emotional and sensitive, then I'm sure you 100% benefit from being outside. Especially when it's peaceful, calm and less, if any, pollution. Well, there is pollution around, like planes and whatnot. Okay, if there's not much noise pollution, there we go, then that's the best bet, I feel. Where I am is very tranquil. I've been out for a few hours and I 100% needed it. I have spotted litter and I have picked it up. I used a leaf to pick it up and put it in the bin, and I have spotted a big nail, like this big, sticking out of a fence, and I did have a pine cone about this big in my hand. It was adorable and I wanted to draw it. I did think this would come in handy for this nail, so I did tweak it into the nail for safety precautions. I feel like I'm a health and safety / litter security guard. Especially out in nature. If I see something, I'm like, that's littering beautiful mother nature. I do feel very drawn to pick it up. I have been very conscious of not using my bare hands, especially because of the virus, and it does depend what kind of litter it is. I have been, like I said, using leaves to pick up stuff, and I have hand gel in my bag. I come prepared. And I've been observing anything that catches my eye. I've seen a cute little ladybug, very still and peaceful. I've seen many magpies and I can hear them now, and I have saluted them and said thank you for their messages, whatever they may be. I've seen many blackbirds, which is one of my favourite birds in the world. Thank you, Robin. Oh, not Robin. Thank you, magpie. And Robin and blackbirds are my favourite birds in the world. What else have I seen? What have I seen on my walk? Ooh. That was a very intriguing sound. I've seen little beetles scurrying across the pathway. We've seen a big juicy slug too, and I like to move them out of the pathway in case someone squishes them. I do feel like it's something that I need to do. It's so funny when someone sees you picking up an insect and they're looking like, are you okay? Like, yeah. Ooh, some bird, I'm pretty sure, is having a dip in the water. I wouldn't mind having a dip in the water. I'd love to be in the sea right now. I'm appreciative and thankful for where I am in the current present moment. I am 100% looking forward to being in the sea. Oh, with the salt water cleansing my soul. Oh, it's such a gorgeous day. It's been really warm. I hope wherever you are that you've had a pleasant day and that you've been out in nature, or that you will soon. And I'm going to continue with my walk, but thank you so much for listening to this short video, and we'll speak again. Lots of love and take care. Ciao for now.